Hello, this is Troy York from Hip Discovery. I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your YouTube subscriber number. So I'm going to start the video off showing you guys a subscriber count, which will be right under your profile name. As you can see right here, it shows my subscriber count. And then we're going to go back to YouTube, and then we're going to click on the top right icon, and then go down to YouTube Studios. This is going to load up, and then you're going to go down to settings on the left bar over here, and then you're going to go to channel, and then you're going to go to advanced settings, and then you scroll down a little bit, and there's a toggle for subscriber count, and click save. And then you can go back to your old page, and then we're going to refresh it here. As you can see, there's no longer a subscriber count under my name, so that is how you toggle a switch for subscriber count. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it.